Ok, on se retrouve pour l'épisode 2.
We can't stay here.
I'm working on it. Just let me think. Get strong.
Okay.
We get warm.
I'm sorry.
And we wait.
De Red Dead Redemption. Je joue au jeu pour la première fois, je découvre. Il paraît que le jeu est super réaliste. Bon, on va voir ça. Donc là, j'ai quoi comme mission? Je vais aller à la mission la plus proche, celle-là.
Oh, with you boys, because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, and you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks miss them. I fell, but when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Party. Probably. That funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Colm O'Driscoll's needing punching. Hard! You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
You sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a
Bon,
lot
les gars,
recently.
on
We
a
hardly
appris
back
que
on our
GTA
feet
6
yet.
est encore
Last thing we
reporté.
need is to get bushwhacked by Colm O'Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here
Moi, j'ai
for
appris,
us.
on est quand là?
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
Mi-novembre, moi j'ai
I
appris
would
ça
never
le
doubt
6.
you, Dutch. You always said
Le
revenge
7.
is a
Non, j'ai
luxury
appris ça
we
le
can't
7.
afford.
This is the right
Il
call.
était 3
Arthur.
heures du mat.
Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were
J'étais en train
talking
de
about trains and
regarder
detonators here. Colm
le live
always
de
had
2
good
youtubeurs,
information. Come on.
Tony
You
et
think now
Reflex,
is the right time to hit a train?
la
Now
redite
you
de leur live.
might fancy living on
sur
deer
YouTube.
piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life.
Du
Mr.
coup,
Matthews,
j'ai passé
Mr.
le
Smith,
temps
Mr.
avec
Pearson, would you please look
Red
after the
Dead
place?
Redemption.
There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah!
L'avantage, c'est que je n'y ai jamais joué. Voilà.
Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said
Mais
follow
est-ce
the
que
main
l'effet de
trail
surprise sera
southwest. They're camped near some lake.
puissant
Okay, let's go find these
niveau
bastards
gameplay
before they find
quand je
us
vais
and
comparer,
rob
parce que je
this
vais forcément
for
le
their
faire,
planet.
comparer Red Dead à GTA 6.
What's that? Tracks. Horses, quite a few of them. As far as I can tell, the only fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Colm O'Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another.
It will be.
Some things I can forgive, others I can forget. What he did to Annabelle, I can't do neither.
You killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did. And I hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough. That's how this'll end. See that smoke? Let's cut up here and take a look. They said it was near the lake, so we must be close. Whoa. Oh. Hold up here.
C'est marrant dans ce jeu, j'ai remarqué, on me force à m'arrêter. En fait, quand Dutch s'arrête, moi aussi je m'arrête.
Ready.
Ready, Dutch.
Good.
Bon, là, je peux continuer, hein, normalement.
Mr. Morgan and I,
Est-ce que j'ai le droit?
we're gonna head up here a little.
Ouais, j'ai le
See
droit.
if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position here. Let's go. There they are. That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very
On
happy.
peut pas zoomer?
No.
Je rêve ou il vient de lui foutre deux baffes, là?
Seem to be. Should we go get him?
No. Colm can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. Come on, let's get down there.
On descend par où?
Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse. You boys be ready to pick them off from up there.
You got it, Dutch.
Il est où mon cheval? C'est lui? Where's my horse?
Quick, grab that repeater and let's get moving.
Il est où mon cheval? Comment je le reconnais? Vous savez, je sais pas quel est mon cheval. Mais il est où? C'est lui? Il a bien changé, hein. Arme rangée sur le cheval. Ok. Je fais ça. Je fais ça. Je fais ça. Ok. Ok. Ok.
Good. Come on, let's go.
Je vais prendre le flingue là. On va prendre ça.
We'll circle around the far side and go down that way, same as Micah and Bill. Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Qu'est-ce que ça fait du bien de jouer à un jeu vidéo en matinée, quand on est posé, que le cerveau est encore clean.
Okay.
Et qu'on a pris son petit-déj. C'est le meilleur moment pour moi, en tout cas, de jouer à un jeu vidéo. Quand mon cerveau vient de se reposer.
It's steep here. Careful.
C'est marrant comment il marche. Ses pieds sont comment là? Je parle pas de lui, je parle de Dutch. Ses pieds me paraissent anormalement banco.
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No, but the way our luck's been running.
Hush. Let's just get down there first. Down through these trees, quick. Stay low. Come on, follow me.
Il paraît que c'est un jeu réaliste. Moi, j'ai envie de voir ça. Pour l'instant, il n'y a que les traces de pas dans la neige qui sont très réalistes.
Get in cover, Arthur. So, what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want.
Toi, t'es mon pote, c'est ça?
Just make the call.
Toi et
You wanna
moi,
take
on
the
est
lead?
amis.
Go.
Ok.
Make the call,
Éliminer
Arthur.
les... Ok. What the fuck? Boussole étendue. Ok. 100. Comment ça? Ah ben non. Moi j'ai besoin de voir ce qui se passe, moi. Ouais, j'ai besoin de voir tout.
What the hell are you doing?
Ah d'accord, donc tant qu'il n'était pas visé, il ne me voyait pas.
Kill these sons.
En quoi c'est réaliste ça en fait? Ça n'a rien de réaliste. Le mec ne me voit que lorsque je le vise. Mais bouge! Ah! J'ai l'impression que son arme est un peu merdique. C'est quand même bizarre quand on te tire dessus et tu bouges même pas d'un poil, quoi. Hey! Hey! Qui est mort là? Qui est mort?
We got more in those cabins to the right. Still got some in those cabins.
Comment je recharge? Attends.
Take out those bastards in the cabin.
Qu'est-ce qu'il me dit?
God damn it, they're still hiding in those cabins.
Mais je le vois pas. Moi je veux bien, hein, mais je le vois pas. Ah non, vois vraiment pas. Ah ok, je le vois. Il y a trop de contraste. Oh! Oh putain, j'ai eu peur.
Search the bodies. Strip everything we can from them.
You recognize any of them, Dutch?
Of course not.
Tu reconnais
Paul doesn't give
quelqu'un
a
d'autre?
damn about his men.
Dutch?
All he cares about is numbers.
Comment on fait déjà?
Ride a horse, kill without thought. You're in.
Il me semble que le carré dans ce jeu est super important.
I imagine Colm doesn't even know half the names of these fools.
Ok.
Keep looking. We need everything we can get off of these bastards. Keep searching the
Regarde
bodies,
là.
Arthur.
Je viens pas déjà de le fouiller.
Oh shit! Look out! More of the bastards coming out of the trees. That's it! Shit, there's a lot of them. What do you think, Arthur? Do we hold around here or go after them? All right, pick them off as they come out of the trees.
They're hiding in the trees. You're dead now.
Faut surtout pas continuer mes alliés. Oh! Ah ouais, c'est moi qui le tue. Ok. C'est moi qui le tue.
I got more grit than the heel of my goddamn boot.
The cowards are running away. Good work, boys. Back to the camp. We'll get what we need.
On les fouille un petit peu ou pas? On peut en fouiller 5. Ensuite, c'est bon.
We don't have time to mess around.
Ils sont où? Ils sont où?
We're waiting on you, Arthur. Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left. All right, man, quick. Find those detonators,
C'est mon cheval,
explosives,
on est d'accord.
anything you can. Let's go.
On va où? On va où? Moi, je sais pas où on va. Hein. Qu'est-ce que je suis censé... Qu'est-ce qu'on a là? Je comprends pas. Je comprends pas. Qu'est-ce que je suis censé faire? Je prends tout. Ah oui, là, ouais, je me rappelle. En fait, c'est la deuxième fois que je fais ce truc.
This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Looks fine. Smells good.
Come on.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. Of Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up.
22 minutes.
Let's keep moving. All right, let's get out of here. Proud of you boys. All of you. Not a man down.
Good work, fellers.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like. But we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest.
Et si je jouais sans,
But we're gonna stay a step ahead
sans
of
ça?
them. Make sure we always know where they are
En vrai.
before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again. All right, dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground.
Dans la vie de tous les jours, on n'a pas de map dans le cerveau. Dans un coin de l'œil.
Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp in Combe?
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay, you got... Yeah.
Leave me alone! Ah! Shit! No!
J'espère qu'il va pas mourir. Hein. Attends, c'est ça le problème. Le problème, c'est que je sais pas où je vais.
Don't hurt me! Please don't kill me, please! I surrender!
Oh!
Mister, please!
Mais stoppe-toi!
Be no trouble!
Mais pourquoi lui il bouge pas lui aussi?
Just take it easy, mister!
Voilà. Mais c'est bizarre quand même qu'il se laisse faire comme ça. Allez, on y va? Attends, attends, attends. Attends. Mais il est à côté. Là, tu vois. Maintenez.
You're coming with me. Just let me go, come on.
Arthur, il est
I'm no use
fort,
to
hein.
you, really.
Chargez. 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 Allez, je remonte sur le cheval.
Oh, God, no. What's your name, boy?
Et si j'avais pas ça, comment je sais où je dois aller?
It's Kieran. Kieran what? Duffy. Kieran Duffy. Well,
Je peux suivre les pas.
this is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy. Where are you taking me? Somewhere you ain't gonna like. Why? What are you gonna do to me? Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming. No!
Attends.
Please!
Moi, j'ai envie de jouer sans le truc, sans la map.
Come on, mister. Please! Let me go. I'll disappear. I'll go to Mexico. You better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you. Oh, take it easy. You're gonna break my ribs. Please, I'll do anything. Oh, I think I'm gonna puke. Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear? Okay, okay. That's 2 bones right there.
Je crois qu'il me faut la map. Je peux pas sans map. La map, c'est super important, les gars.
Here we are, you sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys. Don't hurt me, please. Oh, don't worry. They're real nice.
You found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. Who shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed 'em as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister! I hate that fella!
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
La mission est terminée. Maintenez pour voir les détails. Maintenir quoi? Quoi? Hein? On en apprend vraiment tout le temps, hein. C'est quoi ça? Je vais là-bas. Attends, non mais la vérité, si j'ai pas ça, comment je fais? Comment je me dirige? C'est pas possible. Je comprends pas comment je pourrais faire sans ça.
We're gonna starve to death up here, Mr. Morgan. We're okay. We have a few cans of food and a rapid. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy...
I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson.
We were stranded at sea for 50 days.
And you unfortunately survived.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving will be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along. Here, you take this. I can't use it, and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
Use a gun, and we'll scare off every animal for miles around. You're never too old to learn, I imagine. All right, let's head out.
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay, apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
I sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
You'll be fine.
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Careful. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed. We'll head up this way, find some higher ground.
Been a wild few days, all right. That ride north from Blackwater, getting stuck in the storm, going out from John, that thing with the O'Driscolls.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
There's some patches of grass here. This is good. Come on, let's try this way.
What are you shooting for?
Come on, let's try this way. Keep your eyes peeled for movement. The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, they won't move. Now shh. Stay quiet. Hey, Stop here a second. I see something.
Oh, watch it.
There's deer been here. Recently.
How can you tell?
How can you not? We'll track them on foot. You're gonna need the bow. Don't leave it on your horse. The gun will scare everything around. No, use the bow I gave you. That'll make too much noise. Come on. Grab that bow off the horse. Quiet as you can. Stay low and move slowly. Keep your head down. You see the tracks?
I think so. Maybe not.
Focus. Let's keep moving.
Quand est-ce que l'œil du lynx revient? Je suis censé faire quoi là? Parce que je suis un peu perdue. Qu'est-ce qu'il veut lui? On fait quoi là? Moi je comprends pas ce qu'on fait.
They'll hear you coming a mile off.
Ouais, mais elles sont où? Je ne peux les voir que de... Ah.
Down there. You see him? Quick, get that bow out, Arthur.
Où?
Try to hit him in the neck or head.
Mais je vois pas.
Clean.
Mais je vois pas.
Get good tension on the string before releasing.
La vérité, je vois rien.
Don't overdo it. Take the shot.
La vérité, je ne vois rien du tout. Mais je ne vois pas. Vous voyez quelque chose là? L'œil du lynx là, il revient à quel moment? Ah, c'est bon, j'ai vu. Très intéressant.
Now let's try for another.
Et je fais quoi là? Mais je fais quoi? C'est ça? Je fais quoi? Mais je fais quoi? Ah, ça me saoule, je vois pas ce que je suis censée faire. Ah, il faut tous les... Ah, il y en a un là-bas. Il y en a un là-bas.
You just wounded it. Better go put it
C'est
out
tout?
of its misery.
Eh merde. Je l'ai blessé. Eh! Ah, il y en a un là-bas, je crois. Merde. Ah, ça peut durer des heures. Il est où l'œil du lynx? J'ai pas l'impression que ça serve à quelque chose, hein. L'œil du lynx là. Ça fait quoi? Fortifiant miracle. Attends. Ça, c'est ça, ok. Bon, rien du tout. Les gars, je découvre. Mais il est où? Ah, il y en a un là-bas. Attends. Je veux juste voir ce que fait l'œil du lynx. Ok. Et du coup? Mais... Ah!
Easy.
Ouf.
Done.
Okay, that'll do it. I think that's all we can carry.
Mais ensuite, je fais quoi? Comment ça pour voir les détails? Ok. J'en ai tué 3. J'ai pas eu l'impression d'avoir tué 3. Hein. Il sert à faire quoi, lui? Peut être utilisé dans la recette de la venaison à l'origan. Je vois rien. Dans la recette de la venaison à l'origan, la biche de Virginie se trouve à des endroits variés dans tous les États, mais elle vit le plus souvent dans les forêts de New Hanover. Ok. C'est un herbivore qui se nourrit d'herbes, de noix, de champignons. Mieux vaut garder vos distances quand vous la chassez, car la biche prend ok, des armes à distance comme des fusils ou arcs empoisonnés sont idéales pour comme des fusils ou un arc à flèche empoisonné sont idéales pour la chasser. La peau de la biche peut être utilisée pour fabriquer des objets et la venaison que vous pouvez en tirer peut être cuisinée. Les animaux. Ah, il y a même des plantes. Ok, ça me fait penser à Far Cry. Mon Dieu, je ne suis qu'à 3% Seigneur. On va essayer d'aller vite, hein. On n'a pas le time. Ah, il est où là? Ah! Cool. C'est cool. Viens. Chargez. Chargez. Là, je viens de remarquer que il y a directement des cordes qui attachent la viande sur le cheval alors que j'ai rien fait. Inventaire du cheval.
Yeah, good boy. Yep. Come on.
That's a waste. They're just gonna rot.
Est-ce qu'il saute?
Could've gotten
Ah, il
another
saute,
day.
cool.
Ready to head back when you are.
Come on,
Il
then.
s'arrête pas.
Let's head back.
Watch out!
Nice work, Arthur. Should be enough meat here to keep us all fed for a few days.
You found him.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
It's easier when they ain't shooting back.
We've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking
But-
a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck's finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
Soon. People are still weak, and you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? We'll still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan. Ha! You notice how Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater?
Careful.
We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One more. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing. Except maybe that can of salt and offal Pearson was kind enough to give us.
The girl. She has a wild look in her eye.
Of course. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Well, once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
Well, I know who my money's on in that fight. He's weak, but that makes him much more useful. Maybe we can get to them before they get to us.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? I suppose. Hell, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months. I guess because they've been over this way.
Yeah. I've heard a lot of talk about them.
Well, we've been scrapping over scores with them for years. Big gang. Nasty
Là, je
sons of
suis
bitches.
juste en train d'appuyer
Their
sur le
leader,
X. Hein.
Colm, and
Je
Dutch
ne
go way
dirige
back.
absolument pas le
Not in
cheval.
a good way. A proper blood feud.
Watch out! Bear up ahead. Let's see if
Ah,
we can find
un
another
ours.
way around. You must be real hungry. Stay well back.
He's got a lot of meat on him.
We've got enough here. No need to
Je le
push our
vois pas.
luck. Spring storms like this are the worst for animals that sleep all winter. Cut up here, off the trail.
Moi, je le dirige pas. Hein. Il se dirige tout seul.
We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that?
Bet you didn't expect this.
What?
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here.
Ah, sooner or later a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No,
No, not at all. I know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch... You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most of you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, we need you now. More than ever.
Good. How long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
Me? 20 years, something like that. Since I was a boy.
20 years?
Yeah. He taught me to read. John, too. Taught me a few other things, him and Hosea.
I'm sure.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
How's that new horse?
He's all right. He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
Huh. I hope they all make it.
Oh, watch it.
I tried to ride the Count once. Hucked me faster than a bull. Won't take nobody but him.
Easy. I'm gonna hitch Taima over here.
Brought some food back, boys! Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. Thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly.
I only showed you a little. Takes a lifetime of practice to master.
J'avais complètement oublié qu'il y avait le truc là-dessus.
Well. Just drop it down in here.
What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
See, you got on just fine. Charles is a wonder.
Have a drink, boys. You earned it.
Jesus, what is that?
Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does.
Yeah, seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
I'll be fine in a few days.
Mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
Do I get to skin you?
You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skinned that one, did you? Dumped on the floor there.
C'est super brut.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these and sell
Oh là là,
these
c'est
in
dégueu.
pretty much any town. If you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else,
Ça donne pas vraiment
you
envie de
bring it to
manger de la
me.
viande après.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunt after all these years.
Yeah. Well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive.
Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days.
En fait, Rockstar, c'est vraiment des fous. Hein.
It's been a bad few weeks, but Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams. Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You're still here, then?
I owe you.
Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea, we're living. Look at me. We're living, even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob. Everyone ready? All right, let's head out.
On se retrouve très vite pour la suite. J'aimerais en fait faire des vidéos d'1 heure, là ça a dépassé.